Let's make Italian penicillin soup, the ultimate comfort food that warms your body and can help boost your immune system. Start by peeling the carrots and cutting them into neat, small dice. Now finely slice the celery. Next, thinly slice the onion. Then peel and mince the garlic. Now juice 1 lemon. Heat the oil and butter together in a pan over medium heat. Add the celery, carrots and onion and cook for 5 minutes until slightly softened. Slowly pour in the stock and bring everything together. Then add the chicken, cover with a lid and bring to a gentle boil. Next add the garlic, Italian seasoning, red pepper flakes and black pepper, and give it a good stir. Put the lid on and let it simmer gently for 20 minutes until the chicken is cooked. Once the chicken is cooked, remove it from the pan and set it aside to rest. Next, use a hand blender to blend the veggies directly in the pan. Add the orzo and cook for 10 minutes until tender. Meanwhile, shred the chicken while the orzo cooks. Transfer the shredded chicken back to the pan. Now add the lemon juice, spinach, and Parmesan cheese, stirring until the spinach wilts. Remove the heat and the soup is ready to serve. It tastes rich and comforting, savoury from the chicken broth, and lightly creamy from the blended vegetables. Thank you for cooking along with us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Enjoy your soup and happy cooking.